Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 786 Fatma's Cooking. Today we are making a hot and salt chicken soup. We have taken a small capsicum and two carrots, cutting them into a julienne strip. We have taken about half a cup of chicken, roughly 4 to 5 pieces, and boiled them with black pepper and salt, then shredded them. I have used 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 chicken cube. Additionally, I have taken 1/4 cup of corn flour. We will be using 1 egg and 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Yakhni is now ready. We started with approx 4 glasses of water, which reduced to about 3 glasses after boiling. Strain it to separate the liquid. Now yakhni is simmering. Let it come to the boil before adding the carrots. Next, add the capsicum, salt, and black pepper. Stir everything together. Bring it to boil to cook the vegetable a bit. Now it's time to add the chicken. Chicken cube and chicken powder. Add soya sauce, chili sauce, and vinegar. The vegetables are now tender and all the sauces have been added. To thicken the soup, mix half a cup of water with corn flour. To make a slurry, we will add this slurry, gradually stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Now let the soup come to a boil. We have whisked an egg which we will add to the soup. Reduce the heat to low and stir gently. Now remove it from the heat. Take 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, heat it slightly, and add it to temper the soup. Our hot and sour chicken soup is now ready to be served. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And do share your thoughts in the comments. How did you find this recipe?